Hey y'all, I'm Diamond Painting Cajun. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. I didn't know what to say. Y'all, it's been quite some time. It's so good to see y'all. Y'all know what's been going on. And I had the flu. I'm just getting over the flu. And I don't know, I have something going on with my sinuses. Y'all probably could tell right here. It's all swollen. I don't know. Whatever. I'm over it. But, so how's everybody doing? I want to know how everybody's doing. Y'all put that in the comment section below. What are y'all working on? What diamond painting events are y'all working on? If y'all working on crocheting, whatever y'all working on, I want to know. I always want to know. That's why I ask y'all on my Facebook page. I like to keep up with, I try to keep up with what's going on. And I know I don't film much right now, but I'm doing my best. You know, it is what it is. Y'all already know the situation. So, you know, filming is kind of few and far between right now. But I'm doing my best to catch up. And now that we're home, my mom's home, I just run back and forth and all that good stuff. Anywho, well, I couldn't because I had the flu. I haven't left home. I didn't leave home since Friday. I've been in the house since Friday. I'm feeling better today. I don't have fever anymore or anything, but I do have my grandkids today. So I have them the rest of the week because they're still out of school. So yeah, excuse the shenanigans, but I love that because that's my holder for my cover minders, that right there. And those things are artwork from my grandkids, and I do have more on this side. So, and this is my faithful heat press. So excuse all the shenanigans back there because, you know, nothing's organized, of course. I really want one of them big old shelves that take up a whole wall, those IKEA shelves, so I can organize all my stuff in because it's a hot mess. What y'all don't see is behind the camera. Anywho, I have a package that I'm gonna unbox from for y'all from Temu. Not Temu, I'm sorry, from Leanne. Leanne sent me a package, and she sent this a while. There's been a while, and I just haven't gotten around to opening it and filming it because, you know, with all the holidays and all the everything, y'all know. So I did open it up. I took them out, the packages and everything, because I did film this, and by the time I got to the end, realized that it just quit. So I think my phone died. I don't know what happened. So now I'm going to show y'all what she got me. Thank you, Leanne, for all the great items. I really appreciate it. So the first thing is a diamond painting. And I have never had a diamond painting this big from a budget-friendly company. Or Happy Meal, for that matter. It is a round drill. I'm going to show y'all the drills. You know, it comes with a toolkit and all the good stuff. So, I thought this was so pretty. I love it. And I did see it, yes, because I filmed this before, like I said, and it got cut off. Look how pretty this is, y'all. Look, this is the thumbnail for it. But look how colorful. I love it. It's so pretty. Look at the sharks and the whatever. Yeah, the sharks, dolphins. But look at all the fish and all the sea animals and all the coral reef. I love this. Y'all know I like beach and farm stuff. So beach and farm is my two favorite things. Sea turtle is definitely at the top of my list. But I like all diamond paintings, so those are just some of my favorites. So I thought that was so cute. They really have, oops, sorry. It really is cute. Look at all that. All the colors, all those pretty colors. I'm going to show y'all the So cute. I'm going to show y'all the drills for it. It's a round drill. God, I'm having technical difficulties with this. Hold on, y'all. I'm going to back you up a little bit. Okay. So, I feel like I'm in the camera. This is a round drill. And, of course, look how pretty. It's got so many cute colors. Y'all can see them better here. I love these colors. Look at that. Those aqua blues. So pretty. Love that. It's going to be cute when it's done. I never had, like I said, this is a 30 by 80. I never had a big one from a budget-friendly site before. It's really cute. I'm really liking it. Y'all, I can't talk so much. Y'all, this hurts so bad. I'm not playing. It hurts. Good grief. Okay, so y'all, next. This is cute. This is another round drill. Oh, that's cute. And it's a 30 by 40 centimeter. And it's a beach scene with some roses. Look how pretty. That's so cute. I love it. So stinking cute. Look at that. Look at the thumbnail, y'all. That's going to be so cute when it's done. Will I get to it anytime this year? Probably not. I have like a million. So I'm going to try. One day I will. I will. One day. My time is pretty limited at this point. So I love this. It's got, let's see, this one has 21 colors. That's not too bad. That's a good beach theme one I could do. That'd be cute. That's 21 colors. I love it. It's so cute. And look at all these drills to this. They got some pretty drills. They're pretty like ocean colors and purples and blues. The light blues, dark blues. Some sand colors. Thought it was so cute. It is a round drill as well. I love it. I love them. They're so cute. The colors are pretty. And last but not least, y'all. I gotta open this. I did not open this. This is cute. So, we have Christmas cards. And yeah, it's late for this year, but not for next year. Gonna be early next year. Look how cute this is. And this one says Merry Christmas. And look, it's a diamond paint. They are diamond painting ones. The drills for them, they are all round drill. Look how cute. It's so cute. And then inside you can write what you want. I love it. And let's see, it goes like this. And then you just take the paper off and you diamond paint it. Just like a diamond painting. That's cute. I love it. Y'all, it's so cute. Look this one. Oh, this is so cute. This one's cute. I can't see, man. I don't like that. I like to see. This is so cute. I love that. And of course it goes like this. And you diamond paint all this section. That's so cute, Leanne. I love it. These are all so cute. Look, the snowman. Oh, this is cute. The snowman. Oh, it's a Christmas scene. Look how cute. This one says Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. It's so cute. I can't, well, that's too cute. And then inside it has this. Look how cute. And then you can write whatever you want right there. I love it. It's so cute. I'm standing up. I'm gonna stand up because I can't see what y'all see, so I want y'all to be able to see it. Merry Christmas. Look how cute. Elf, Santa, and the snowman. That's cute. A very Merry Christmas. Happy holidays. So this is the portion you would, again, diamond paint. Y'all, this is so cute, Leanne. I love these. I just love them so much. Love them. This one. This one says Merry Christmas. Oh, it's so cute, the little penguins. That's cute. And then this is what it says on the inside. Merry Christmas to you. And you can write what you want here. These are really cute. I love these so much. A very Merry Christmas. These are so stinking cute. I love that. Love it, love it. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. That's what it says here. And then it says Merry Christmas and Happy New Year here. And you can write what you want here. Yeah, these are the... I'm telling y'all, these are really, really cute Christmas cards. When you send out Christmas cards, these are really cute to send out. Very, very cute. Just Merry Christmas. Look at that. Look how cute the birds are. The present. That's so cute. Merry Christmas. The snowman. That's cute. And we have one more. Look, the snowman. Snowman is a polar bear, I think. I don't care. It's cute, whatever it is. It's so cute. And this says, best wishes, Merry Christmas, and Happy New Year. Yo, I want to do these next year for Christmas and send them out. That would be so cute. I think my family would like that. I have another set too that I got from someone else. Or it might have been, I don't know who it was from. It was from Leanne or somewhere, somebody. And, I said I wanted to do them for Christmas. I'm going to put them all together. And that's going to be on my bucket list to complete all of these Christmas cards and send them off to different people for Christmas next year. This year I'll spend it in the hospital. Next year I'll spend it, if God's willing, if everything goes great, I'll hopefully be spending it at home. Yeah, so that's what I got. And all of those are round drifts, but I'm going to show y'all the colors if I can get this back in the bag. I don't want to mess them up, so I'm putting it back in the bag. Thank you, Leanne, so much for all these gifts. So sweet of you. Very, very kind. Leanne's a kind person, y'all. She's so sweet. She is from Hawaii, in case y'all didn't know. Hawaii. Look how cute. I love that. Look how pretty. Y'all know they got some pretty Christmas colors in here. All Christmas colors. I love these. Thank you, Leanne, so much. I really, really appreciate it. This really made my day when I got these. When I opened it up, because when I opened it up to film it the first time, I was like, oh God, they're so cute. They're so cute. They're so cute. I love them. Thank you, Leanne. I really appreciate it. Thank you for sending me all these wonderful gifts. You're an amazing person, as always, and I love you. Thank y'all for watching. I really appreciate all you guys, and I miss y'all so much. I can't wait to do a live soon. I might schedule one for Sunday, so be watching out for it. Love y'all. Bye.